she takes us through the proceedings. We ask that we are efficient and that we attend appropriately to the business of the people today. In your name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Thank you so much. Apologies for absence. I have only Senator Keith Duncan, who is unavoidably absent today. Is that the only apology we have, Mr. Nash?
That's the only one I've received at this time.
Okay. Well, that's the only member absent, is it? There's not another member that we're missing?
One moment.
I don't think so. In any case, we don't have any other apologies. The next item on the agenda, Mr. Nash, would be what? Our minutes?
Yes, Chairman.
All right, members, I trust you have all read the minutes. I have gone through it myself. Thank you, Mr. Nash. I see nothing there for correction. Are there any members who have any corrections to the minutes?
No, Chair, and they were appropriately detailed, I believe.
I think so. I think so. Well done, Mr. Nash. Thank you. Well, with that said, I'd like to put the minutes for approval. Can I get a
I'll move.
motion? Thank you, Senator Tavares Finson, moved by Senator Tavares Finson and seconded by.
I'll second it, Chair.
Thank you, Senator Tomlinson. Our minutes have been approved. Okay, folks, I don't intend to detain you for very long this morning. The matter before us is really, really, really simple. The amendment regulations which went through the Parliament just a couple of weeks ago contained a small error in the 20th schedule where the words accident insurance in the schedule setting out the various registration fees was repeated when what it should have been was motor vehicle insurance at the first instance of the mention of accident insurance and then below that accident insurance. I trust members have had a chance to take a look at this rather simple amendment. And therefore, I don't know that there are any extensive comments to be made on it. I'm so sorry, I have gone ahead of myself because I do believe we have members of the Financial Services Commission here with us. Mr. Nash, can you just identify for me? Mr. Basco is on. Lieutenant Burrell, please accept my humble apologies, sir. I should have recognized you at the very beginning.
That's fine, Chair. I understand totally.
All right. You don't have any further comments to make on this? Have I captured the essence of the amendment?
You have, Chair.
Okay. And therefore, again, these are regulations, again, subject to negative resolution. And therefore, it's not really so much for us to approve, but to indicate whether there are any objections. I see it unlikely that members will have an objection to correcting an error of this nature. If I am not correct, then I would expect a member to indicate. Senator Anderson, go ahead.
Chair, not to object to correcting the nature of the error. I just had a question. Now that we are live and direct, I wonder if we could ask Lieutenant Burrell to let us know how the industry has accepted the. I'm sure by now he has invoiced them and given them their new fee structure. So remember the last time my concern was really about how they would react and how they received it. I just want to know if he has sent them their invoices, if he could let us know what the sentiment is.
Ongoing dialogue, Senator, that's the sentiment. So I'm continuing my ongoing dialogue with the industry.
Okay, all right. So I mean, they might not be exactly happy, but they're trying to work with you towards a happy outcome.
I don't know how we jump to that in a sense, Anderson. Ongoing dialogue doesn't necessarily mean that. It can be either or. But
Yeah, if
but
they
I
were
think
just say yes.
I think Colonel Burrell had indicated his approach on the last occasion, which I think is the correct approach to keep the dialogue going. And as a regulator, I certainly appreciate that you are doing that, Colonel Burrell, because some regulatory agencies consider themselves punitive agencies when really a regulator ought to be a facilitator of the industry. So thank you for that approach.
And
And
apologies
members-
if I addressed him right or wrong, taking Colonel Burrell. My apologies.
Yes. All right, very well. So members, with that said, can I capture that the Regulations Committee has no objections for a report back to the Senate? This would be a short, Mr. Nash, no 20-page report on this, 1 page.
No,
For the Senate at its next sitting. And with that, members, I really wouldn't delay you any further. Mr. Nash, have I completed my agenda? Mr. Nash, you're muted.
yes, Chairman. Essentially, we would normally just have the date of the next meeting, any other
Well, we
business.
don't have a date of the
That's
next
correct.
meeting because we don't know what regulations are going to be tabled. This committee doesn't operate quite like that.
Yes.
We meet as necessary. So I thank the members for all showing up. Thank you all so very much, both my caucus colleagues and my opposition colleagues. I do appreciate the support you give to the Regulations Committee. Can I get a motion then for the adjournment of the meeting?
Also move.
Who is that? Senator Tomlinson?
No, it's me,
Oh, sorry, Senator Tavares Vincent. Apologies.
but my camera is not.
There you go.
Cooperating.
We're seeing your handsome face, sir. Thank you. All
Thank
right.
you.
And a second, please.
I can second, Chair.
Thank you, Senator Anderson. Have a great day all. And thank you very much, Mr. Nash and the parliamentary team.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye, Chair.